Oh, boy, another cartoon. Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm screwy, screwy as a loon at sea. When I go on a driving spree, the coppers all get panicky. Honk my horn, strip my ears. So I'm screwy, but what can I do? I ask you. Used car row. Sympathetic Slim. Use our layawake plan. Sleepy Sam. The Honest Engine.
Too bad, Woodpecker. Say, you need a new used car. I got acres of used cars. Let's go inside, pal.
Old Rocket 8. Nope. Al V6. No. Lemon 8. Uh-uh.
This car hasn't gone a mile yet. A school teacher owned this one. She drove it only 2 miles. Field lot. Dig that paint job.
Yeah, I know. Shatterproof glass.
Man, my cars are clean. Try that fluid drive. Watch this heat dig out. This dreamboat has power steering with one finger. These bodies are solid. Step on a starter. Put her in reverse. Just listen to that engine.
Rejuvenator. What's he up to now?
little cream puff. And you get 20 gallons of gas free.
Woody Woodpecker, this is my car.
Yes, sir. Get in and drive it away. Read the fine print.
Drive it away for $1,000.
Sign on the dotted line.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.